There's this guy named Jeff Jarvis. He thinks this emoji is a whistling emoji. Well, everybody knows it's a kissing emoji.
I only yesterday I learned I've been using this incredibly inappropriately, as it turns out.
Wow. Seriously?
You've been sending people kisses.
Previously on TWiT, HandsOn Photography.
I am going to answer a question that I get just about every single day. Which camera should I buy?
The Tech Guy.
QD OLED or quantum dot OLED. The benefits are many, including greater brightness, much greater brightness. Because
this has always been an area OLEDs have lagged behind LEDs and LCDs, is that they're just not as bright. Does this solve that?
Yes, it does.
This Week in Google.
Regular people who don't spend their days thinking about law, thinking about tech, you know, they have political will. This is a democracy. They can choose the laws that regulate them. So how do you educate them so they can ask for good things? Then when they call their members of Congress, they will ask for things that are actually more useful than just do something, burn it all down. What do I care? I hear Section 230 is bad. You might as well get rid of it. And how dare you not?
TWiT, making the world safe for technology.